The leader of the colored community and colored organizations, Fidel Adams, is trying to sue Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and Bheki Cele for fraud and corruption. Isn't it the reason we are at the ad hoc committee and Madlanga commission? Isn't that the main reason? So is he going to go to the cops? This guy, is he going to go to the cops and try to open a case for Bheki Cele and another main cop, Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi? This guy he has to be kidding, right? And he's doing all of this because he's trying to save his own skin, because he's been implicated in the whole Madlanga Commission, ad hoc committee, Cat Matlala, the whole saga. I think this thing needs a name. We need a proper name to name all of these things that are happening. Maybe the Cat Matlala, saga or something like that. But anyways, yeah, ideas are open. So this guy, the main problem is that the files, the political murdering task team, the files that they had that were moved around by all the different politicians, they were moved to KZN, then came back to Joburg, and obviously when they move, these files are compromised because those files implicate a lot of politicians. So this guy at some point opened those files. Those files were with this guy, Adams. So all of this trying to sue Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi and Bheki Cele is trying to, it's a smoke screen to save his own ass, because at the moment he will get arrested and he will face the ad hoc committee and Madlanga commission, because he has to answer as to why he had those files. Who did he give them to, and which information he read on those files? What does he know exactly? Because at the moment those files are like a security, they need to be secured because they have so much information and so much evidence. So Adams, man, is trying to do too much. He just needs to face the music and go to the ad hoc committee.